Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Teresa May Manalo, 45 years old, married, and have two children, ages 19 years old girl and 8 years old boy. I have experience working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years and 2 years in Middle East. My skills are housekeeping, cooking, newborn care, toddlers care, children's care, elderly care, and pet care. I am honest, reliable, and responsible person, willing to learn and can follow instructions, can cook Chinese food, and willing to learn how to cook other cuisines. I love kids and have a strong sense of responsibility for child safety and health caring. Have patience with babies and toddlers. I have a good hygiene and no bad habits. I am good in English and I can talk basic Cantonese. I can work with another helper and I can be flexible for whatever jobs I can find. Even though I am already 45 years old, but I can assure you, mom and sir, that I can manage all my household chores and I am still very capable for work. Thank you very much and God bless.